Hey YouTubers, today we'll do an unboxing or unpacking and installation of a scope pistol mount that I bought on eBay for 28 bucks from IMI Defense. So based on their ad on eBay, it says it's for a SIG pistol or pistols with M1913 rails. I don't know why they specified SIGs when rails on pistols are common nowadays. So there it is. The polymer they use is similar to the polymer that you can see on Glocks, Springfields, Smith & Wessons. Not on High Points. No offense to High Points, but that is how I can describe the quality of the polymer or the material that they use. So what I like about this setup is that it attaches at the bottom. It's you can say one piece on top, and it attaches solidly on the bottom, compared to the cheap NC Stars that attaches only at the bottom but only on one side. Okay, it attaches only one on half on the one side of the pistol. So it is also one piece, no, not one piece, but it is closed at the bottom, but you can tighten it using these two screws. So you will need Phillips screwdriver. Let's test it out. Okay, I have here 4 handguns with rails, so you can have an idea regarding the fitment, okay, or how it will fit on your pistol. So like I said, I was wondering why they specified SIG, and I think I found out why. So XD9, okay, rail at the bottom, 2 slots. Okay, an example on the Springfield XD9, you think that it fits, but you can only put one screw in. Okay, the other one doesn't lock in place. Okay, I don't know if one screw is enough. I will also test it with a Springfield XD9, but so far it will only fit one screw in. Okay, because the XD9 has only 2 slots on its rail. See, there's not enough slots for the screws to grab hold onto. You need another one here. Okay, so this two has 3. This has 3. This is 4, but with the Ruger SR22 you can only put 1 screw in because it's so short. See, and with the Smith & Wesson SW9VE, although it has 1, 2, 3, 4, but this is an adapter, so it will not fit. Okay, that leaves us with 1911. So this is my Gearson MC 1911 Sport. Fits perfectly, no problem. Okay, here it is, mounted on my Gearson MC 1911. Feels solid. Okay, no wiggle at all. Also, one of my concerns when purchasing a scope mount is if it will clear the ejection port. Okay, so it doesn't interfere with the brass casings. So as you can see right now, this is the ejection port. As the gun ejects the round, sorry about that, the slide will move back all the way at the back. Hold on, let's lock it in place. Okay, so when the brass ejects when the gun ejects the brass, it already clears the scope mount. Okay. Okay, so why did I purchase this scope mount? Obviously to put a scope on my gun, but for practical applications, not intended for concealed carry, something like that, but mostly for range guns. Okay, so this is one of my range guns, and for target shooting, for customization, and just to be different from any other guns. Okay, so it will depend on how you set it up. So right now it has a $20 flashlight that works well. Okay, and this is a micro red dot, also 22 bucks. Okay, so this is my setup, and slap on a 10 round Pro Mag magazine. Okay, this is the cheapest race gun that I could get. Okay, for now. So how about recoil? So I have yet to test this, but if you can see on my shooting video on my Gearsan, it has less recoil compared to my other 9mm polymer guns. Maybe because of the weight of the gun plus compensator. Some people say that this is useless, but it helps, I think, because my 411 wife shoots this gun with no problem, considering this is a 45 ACP. Okay, there she goes. Thanks for watching, guys.